11. Hey guys, M396 CN eastbound is coming. There's an M396 CN eastbound coming in Emmett, Michigan. That's in the up there is red rag, and the one that way is green rag. Okay. That one up there where the train is red rag, and the one the other way is green rag. Alright, here it comes, coming fast. Emmett, Michigan. Fast, really fast. Gates are going down. Sorry about that, guys. It was a little too windy. The train was going so fast, that's why. Hang on. There we go. That was conductor James Deeds. He's my friend, so cool. He waved. Cool. Alright. We're up in 11, Emmett, Michigan.